Good morning, guys. We are going to start with guide number 6 and the prescribed topic sharing the planet. In this video, we will talk about environmental issues, their causes, effects, and possible solutions. Global warming. This might be the biggest threat to the environment. Let's observe the causes, effects, and what we can do to help the environment. Burning fossil fuels such as coal and oil release water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. So, the atmosphere traps warmth from the sun and drives up surface and air temperatures. This causes the planet to get hotter. We call this action the greenhouse effect, which is the interaction between Earth, atmosphere, and incoming radiation from the sun. Deforestation. Another cause of global warming is the exploitation of forests that has a major role in climate change. Trees help to regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When people cut down trees, this positive effect is lost and the carbon stored in the trees is released into the atmosphere. So the planet gets hot. What are the effects of global warming? The ice is melting because of high temperatures. In consequence, sea levels are rising. Deserts are growing. Good news. There are ways to reduce global warming. What solutions to consider? We can reduce the amount of greenhouse that are trapped in the atmosphere. There are many things we can do to help the environment. Here you have some of them. We should reduce the consumption of energy. Buy cars that consume less fuel. The first way to prevent climate change is to move away from fossil fuels. What are the alternatives? Renewable energies like solar and wind. Promoting public transportation, carpooling, but also electric and hydrogen mobility can definitely help to reduce carbon dioxide emissions and thus fight global warming. In order to reduce the carbon dioxide emissions from buildings caused by heating, air conditioning, hot water or lighting, it is necessary both to build new low-energy buildings and to renovate the existing constructions. The 3 Rs are the greatest thing we can do to protect the environment. Reduce. We have to reduce the amount of things we buy and use. Reuse. We should reuse things when we can. Don't use disposable shopping bags. Instead, take a reusable bag. Recycle. We can help the environment, the planet, by recycling our waste. We can recycle paper, plastic, glass, and metal. We should plant more trees because we know how important they are now. This chart shows us how global warming starts and its effects in the Earth. Burning fossil fuels release gases into the atmosphere. Then the gases get trapped into the atmosphere. After the ozone layer traps heat. As a result, the planet gets hotter. This causes the ice caps start melting. So sea levels start to rise. Well, here you have some web sources, only two web sources that are really useful, and they helped me a lot organize the information that you saw on this video. Bye bye guys. See you.